Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we are going to be preparing this Betty Crocker pound cake. So if you've lost your box or you just like a visual guide, we're here to help. We have got everything that we need assembled here. We are going to need a bowl to mix things up in, a 9x5 pan or two 8x4 pans, or you can use a couple other pan sizes. I will pop them up right here. 2/3 of a cup of water or milk. I'm using milk because it's going to give us a little bit more of a richer flavor. We need some spray and some flour for preparing our pan, a hand mixer or whisk, a 1/4 cup butter that is softened, 2 eggs, and of course our pound cake mix, and you might want a spatula to get it into our pan. So the first thing that you need to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we're going to prepare our pan. We're going to spray it with some cooking spray. If you don't have cooking spray, you can use butter, just rub it in there really good, or whatever other type of oil that you've got. And then we're going to lightly dust it with flour. And then the excess flour that you have in there, just dump it out. So our pan is greased and floured. We're gonna set that aside. Now we're gonna combine all of our ingredients together. I like to do all of the wet ingredients first. So we're gonna do our 2/3 of a cup milk, 2 eggs, and our 1/4 cup of butter all in the bowl. Whisk those all together until they're properly combined. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. And then we're gonna add in our pound cake mix. If you have a hand mixer, you're gonna beat this on low speed for 30 seconds and then medium speed for 2 minutes. If you have a whisk, we're gonna beat this bad boy for 4 minutes. Make sure you're scraping your sides and bottom as you go to incorporate all of that dry mix. All right, our batter is ready. We're going to pour this into our pans. And then to even it out, I just like to give it a little jiggle, make sure everything is as even across the board as you can get. And then we are going to pop this into the oven for 50 to 60 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. That is for a 9x5 loaf pan. If you're using another size of pan, here is your chart right here along with your baking times. Now I'm gonna come back and let you know exactly how long this took in my oven. If you like what we're doing here, please consider sending a super thanks. It helps us continue to provide more amazing content. All right guys, it has been 55 minutes in my oven. I checked this at the 50-minute mark and it was definitely still a little bit jiggly in the center, but this looks like it's done. So we're gonna take a toothpick, insert it in the center and see if it comes out clean, which this is. Now what we need to do is let this rest in the pan for 10 minutes and then you can turn it out onto a wire cooling rack. Let it cool completely before you cut and serve this. So here is our completed Betty Crocker pound cake. If you guys would like to know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5-Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase this again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you guys next time. Bye. All right guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5-Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.